Start.
A very good evening, doctor. My name is Satish Kumar, and my metric number is 01DDT21F2024. And today, me and my teammates are going to present about the case study 2 for the course Human Computer Interaction DFT 30033. Meet the team Sri Kishan Ram, Dineshwaran, and myself, Satish Kumar. And the question part will be explained by my teammate Sri Ram. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Satish. So, very good evening, doctor. So, today we're going to present about the case study 2. The topic is universal design. So, here you can see what they ask is demonstrate professional codes of ethics and humanistic values in applying the design rules for interactive system. So, the answer for all following tasks is Romano is a student in Diploma Technology Digital at BUO. In this semester, she learns human-computer interaction course. Currently, she does not understand topic 4, that means universal design of contents. So me and my team members need to help her completing the following tasks in order to help her have more understanding about this topic.
Good
And the
evening,
question
doctor.
1 will be explained by Dineshwaran.
Good evening, doctor. So now we are designing Samsung Galaxy Watch. So doctor can have a look on the features on our device. Okay, we have an atmospheric pressure sensor on the top of the watch, and the NFC antenna, and the side part which is the home key, and electrical biosensor, and we have a microphone too, and we have a back key which is the electrical biosensor, and we have a light sensor and a touch screen, and we have a two variety of GPS antenna which is SMR920 and which is SMR925 which is LTE GPS antenna. Now we have a look on the function of the watch with diagram. With the always on watch feature, there's no need to press a button or turn the bezel on a Galaxy watch or some gear watches to show the time. Set the display to always show letting you see the time whether it's day or night. An active second hand has also been added to some watch faces for further senses of realism. Second is app. App is able to use your Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 series watches to their fullest potential when connected to the Galaxy Wearable app. Remember to download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store and check that your phone has the latest software. To open the app's screen, press the home key on the watch screen. To return to the watch screen, press the home key. In the app's screen, please rotate the bezel or sweep the screen to the left or right to view other panels. And the third one is pedometer and fitness. A pedometer is a device that counts the number of steps taken. When you walk, there is an up and down movement at the hip. Inside the pedometer, there is a small lever arm that moves up and down in response to the movement of your hips that occur with each step you take, thereby counting your steps as you move. These trackers not only measure steps but can also give you accurate information about your distance, pace, and stride.
Thank you, Dineshwaran. Okay, the question part 2 will be explained by myself, Satish Kumar. Okay, the first is we have to give three universal design principles. The first one is flexibility in use. This smartwatch can be adjusted to fit a variety of personal preference and skills. By wearing this smartwatch, the user can use this device whenever, wherever they want. Example, they can wear at a shopping complex and when they are walking or jogging. User will benefit from the built-in function available in our smartwatch as navigation system, Bluetooth callings, listening songs, and more. Okay, the second universal design principle is low physical effort. The design is efficient and comfortable to use with little to no fatigue. Keeping information to a minimum, only displaying on a device the information the user currently requires. This tool enables the user to maintain a neutral body position. This gadget assists the user in reducing repeated movement and reducing persistent physical effort. Okay, the last but not least is equitable use. This smartwatch is a user-free device since it can be used by everyone including blind people because our device has Bluetooth feature that can make them to use headphone to listen songs, or can easily attend call. We also got insert voice assistant that will help them easy to translate to users to the people communicate in their language. Moreover, in the smartwatch, they can detect surrounding obstacles and communicate through the Bluetooth device to the blind people. And the next question 3 and question 4 will be explained by Sri Kishan Rao. Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the advantages and disadvantages of this watch. So starting with the advantage, it is easy for inexperienced user to learn and operate with the help of touch of any of one of the fingers. But the disadvantage for this is accuracy and precision depend on the size of the icons. When icons are very small, it may be difficult to activate the same with the help of large fingers. So the second advantage will be it saves a lot of space and avoids external devices such as keyboard and mouse. And the second disadvantage, it requires proximity of users to operate. User must be within reach of the touch screen display. So the third advantage gonna be it provide quick and efficient selection of the menu option. So the disadvantage is hands and fingers often obscure the screen information while selecting the desired options. So the fourth advantage will be it is easy to change the GUI on the touchscreen interface with the help of software upgrades. But the disadvantage is battery operated touchscreen devices consume more power. And the fifth advantage will be it offers very high durability and reliability. But it is difficult to operate by visually impaired people that can interact based on tactile or braille input. Interface is very easy to maintain as no dirt gets accumulated, but it is very sensitive interface and hands and also be active due to straight touches. So now we're going to look at the accessibility. So example of the technology and function, VoiceOver. VoiceOver is an industry leading screen reader that tells you exactly what's happening on your device. VoiceOver can describe people, object, text, and graphs in a greater detail than ever. Auditory descriptions of elements help you easily navigate your screen through a Bluetooth keyboard or simple gestures on a touchscreen or trackpad. And with unique rotor gestures that function like a dial on touchscreens and trackpads, you can make content such as website a breeze to browse. VoiceOver is available in more than 60 languages and locals, with dozens of voices for you to choose from. So that's all from us, Doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.